Welcome! In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll show you how to install and set up Bitdefender Mobile Security for iOS. Head to the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Search for Bitdefender Mobile Security. After locating the app, tap the cloud icon with an arrow pointing down. The app will start downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open button to launch the Bitdefender app. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant necessary permissions and configure security features. Tap Get Started. Check the small box and tap Continue after you read and agree with the subscription agreement. Next, sign in using your Bitdefender Central account credentials, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Bitdefender Mobile Security on your iOS device. Let's quickly set up Bitdefender. Allow Bitdefender to connect to the local network to monitor your security status. Now run a device scan. Check the scan report and follow the suggested recommendations to fix any security vulnerabilities. It appears that web protection and scam alert are not turned on. Tap on Browsing Protection. Activate web protection. Review and accept the terms and conditions. Allow Bitdefender to incorporate VPN configurations for filtering network activity. And finally, enter your iPhone passcode. Web protection is now activated. Return to the dashboard and let's set up Scam Alert. This feature detects dangerous links in text messages and iPhone calendar virus. Tap on Activate. Enable calendar scan. Allow full access, and Bitdefender will start scanning your calendar events for dangerous links. To enable SMS filtering, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and select Messages. Tap the Unknown and Spam section. Toggle Filter Unknown Senders to the On position. Select Mobile Security in the SMS filtering section, and then choose Enable. Bitdefender will now be able to filter junk messages on your device. Account privacy checks if your email has been exposed in a data breach. Press the Check Data button. If you have multiple email addresses, select Add Account, input your email, and then tap Next. A validation code will be sent to the provided email address. Enter the code to proceed. If Bitdefender discovers any leaks, it is recommended to change the password for the affected email account. To browse all Bitdefender mobile security features, simply tap the icons at the bottom of the screen. The dashboard is where you can scan your device. The security status of your iPhone or iPad is displayed at the top. Here you'll also find recommended actions. Web protection filters traffic for all apps, not just your internet browser. Scam Alert, VPN, and more. Thanks for watching. Learn more at bitdefender.com/help. The Bitdefender Support Center.